Okay, so today we have the new underwater housing for the Hero5, 6, and 7 black. And what this is 10 foot of cable, and it has a Wi-Fi connector in here, and it also has Type-C USB for power and video data, and it has HDMI. Okay, so the way this is going to work is we can control it with the Wi-Fi remote while it's underwater using the antenna, which is right here, and it goes right onto the back right here. You can tape it on there, then you can control the camera, turn it on and off, start and stop it, and through this USB plug right here you can then pull all your files off the camera without having to ever remove it from the case. And then you can also power the camera continuous with this plug right here, this little pigtail that we've made. And with this pigtail, you can plug it into a 12-volt battery and run it continuously. And what it does is just plugs in with this pigtail, and then now you've got your positive and negative. You can jump it right to a battery, or you can just use the pigtail and cut it and directly wire it to a battery if needed. And so on this housing, we also have on the very bottom a tripod adapter, so we can thread this mount here onto it, and then you can totally pan and tilt the mount around. It can grip onto a pole, or you can use virtually any mount with it. But we designed this for a swimming instructor, and he is looking at watching the swimmers, and so this is something that we designed so he could keep it in the case the whole time, operate it with the Wi-Fi remote, drop and drag all the files, and then view it live right off the HD monitor, showing everything that's going on. So we do custom work for 25, 50, you name it, for the depth, whatever you need done, we can definitely customize it. So any questions, get a hold of Rage Cams, and